We've got some We've got some around the world multi-peak Disney Doorables to open, so let's get cracking! Hello all my explorers, and welcome back to Loren's Adventures Out There. And if you are new, thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate it. My name is Loren, and I'm with Castles, Capes, and Clones, where we discuss everything in the Disney universe. We do unboxings and hauls, pins, box swaps, Disney news, Disney reviews, and more. So if that sounds fun to you, we'd love it if you would subscribe to our channel, hit that bell for notifications, and do like this post, as it really does help us out. Okay, so the other day I went to Target and I wanted to see if they had more of the Disney Doorables Series 8 over there, and they did not, but they did have these. They're around the world multi-peak. I've seen Johnny and Tim on Game Boys open these, and I thought I'd get a couple boxes of them. They're basically all the characters that you can find are characters from different movies, no set movies per se, but they're all like either traveling or on vacation or whatnot, because this thing is like a RV, and so we're going across the country or across the world in an RV. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside here. Like, I'm not sure what this mini is. I can't remember what the Game Boys found in that, but I'm gonna go ahead and open this. I hate opening doors, so I'm just gonna pull the little tray out. You can get 5 to 7 little Doorables in here. Come out! Come out! Okay, there we go. 5 to 7 Doorables. And this, what is this mini here? Oh, it's just like a little sticker person. Yeah, it's just like a little sticker. It's nothing big. So, it looks like I have, do I have 4? Wait, I thought it said 5 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what? 6, 7. Ooh, I have 7 of them in here. Alright. And let's take a look at the little booklet over here. So you can see the different kinds of postcard, snow getaway, tropical getaway. Those are these ones. And then on this side we have international getaway, camping getaway, and amusement getaway. So take a look at it like this. Okay, let's take a look at who we got inside these little baggies. Okay. First one up, we have, it looks like Minnie. And I don't know what kind of getaway she's going on, but it looks more like a summer getaway. And let's see if I can look at this really quickly and figure out. It's a tropical getaway that she is on. And that is, what is that? Is it a common? I can't tell. Is it telling me here? I don't know. I don't know about these things, so never mind. Okay. So we got that one. Box number 1. Box number 2. we have, who is this? Little Tiana. And Tiana is also going on a tropical getaway. There she is. Okay. We were lucky this time to get 7. I usually end up only getting 5, so. And this is Chip. And it looks like he's on a winter getaway. That's cute. I love that. I hope I get Dale then. If I have Chip, I have to have Dale, right? Okay. Next we have Stitch. And Stitch, let's see if I can find out what vacation Stitch is on. He looks like he is on a snowy getaway. He seems to be eating ice cream. I don't know. Okay. Oh, and there's a postcard. I get it now. So all of these come with a postcard. And this one is of Goofy in the snow. Okay. This one is of, well, how apropos that I just talked about Goofy, because here is Goofy. Yay! Okay, cool. We're getting a lot of the Fab Five here. Okay. Next we have Sully on a summer getaway, tropical getaway. Well, we're seeing him there. And the final one in this box is this one. And let's see who we get. Okay. We got Figaro. Little Figaro. I don't know who Figaro, what Figaro is on. He looks like he is on a... Which one is he on? I don't even see him here. Figaro, where are you? It looks like he's on a snowy getaway, but it doesn't look like... He's not on this. Does that mean that he's some kind of rare or something? Yeah, I can't... Oh no, there he is. He is on an international getaway. Alright. Next box. This is box number 2. I only got 2 boxes. So let's hope I do as well in terms of number of items that I get here. Okay. And we got the postcard here, which is another snowy getaway one. It's in the slopes with a little green alien, little green man. Okay. And in this box we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We were lucky this time. We got a 7, and a 6. Okay, so here we go. Who do we have in here? We've got, oh, Pascal. And Pascal is on a camping getaway. No, hold on, wait. Hold on. Oh, Pascal, what are you on? A snowy getaway, that's what I thought. Okay. These are cuter than I thought. I was like, oh, do I want to get these? But I kind of like these. Okay. And now we have Mickey on a snowy getaway. Okay. And we have Alice. Amusement getaway. Look at that. She's in a bumper car. How cute is that? Okay. And next we have, let's see, we have Daisy, and Daisy is in a, let's see, what vacation is she on? She's on an international getaway. Maybe she's on the catwalks of Milan or Paris. Okay. Next we have this. Looks like another Mickey Mouse, but this time he's on a tropical getaway. So I have Minnie in a tropical getaway, so they can go together. Okay, final one. Let's see who it is. I need Donald and Dale to complete my kind of setup. Nope, it's not either of them. It is a little green alien. Little green man, and he is on what kind of vacation? He's on a snowy getaway. Who would have known? All right, well, that is it for our poll of Doorables. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite Doorable that I posted, that I pulled. Let me know. Otherwise, if you had a good time, we'd love it if you would subscribe to our channel, hit the bell for notification, and please do like this post, as it really does help us out. Visit us on all of our socials down below, and visit our website at www.castlescapesandclones.com. Thank you so much, and we will see you later. Bye!